So can we ask when the China practice game might be and where and how important will that be, especially during a time where you really can't get any other games anywhere else?
The root cause of hype is hope.
In terms of the importance of the game, every game that we can get for these young men is extremely important, and it will help us prepare. China is an elite Asian team, so if we get a chance to play against them, that'll be great for us.
Isa na namang gwapo at gwapang araw sa inyong lahat. Kung akala natin ay nakakalamang na tayo sa height versus China dahil meron na tayong 7'4" na si Sotto, well, nakakamali tayo dahil patuloy pa rin ang pag-produce ng China ng napakatangkad na mga basketball players simula noon hanggang ngayon. If we have Sotto who is 7'4", ang China naman ay merong Chuanxing who is an inch taller than Sotto. Isang 21 years old na naglalaro ng professional basketball sa China na unang nakita sa international competition sa Clark Bubble. Chuanxing stands 7'5", although it remains to be seen how he will fare against Sotto. And we are so lucky dahil after the FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers ay hindi na pala uuwi ang China sa kanila. Instead, they will set up a minicamp sa Clark Bubble at diretso na ang mga ito sa Canada for their own Olympic qualifying tournament. At dahil dito, nagkakaroon ng opportunity ang China at Gilas na maglalaro ng tune-up games against each other. That will surely benefit the two teams dahil alam naman natin ang Gilas ay papunta rin ng Belgrade. At kung meron mang isang player na need talaga niya ang tune-up game na ito, ay ito si Sotto. Dahil this is the first time na makakatapat niya ang legit giants ng Asia na merong kaparehong body build niya, and this is a good chance for Sotto on how he will fare against NBA veteran Tochi at pati na kay Chuanxing na mas matangkad pa kay Sotto. And for sure, napakagandang laban na ito dahil for the first time ay meron na tayong pangtapat sa mga 7-footers ng China na simula noon ay ito talaga ang pinakamalaki nating problem when we face China. We have no height to match up with them before, kaya nahihirapan tayo to beat them. But with this Gilas lineup, meron na tayong Twin Towers na hindi lang matatangkad, kundi mga skilled pa at merong high basketball IQ. Pero sino nga ba itong si Chuanxing? Siya ay isang Chinese player na mas matangkad pa kay Sotto, at siya ang pinakamataas na player sa Clark qualifiers. Si Liu ay merong height na 7'5". With a win against Chinese Taipei already in the bag early, binigyan ng China si Liu ng extended minutes kung saan nagtala siya ng 16 points and 9 rebounds sa kanilang 115-66 victory. Kahit na bihirang naglaro itong si Liu sa FIBA qualifiers, itinuturing pa rin siyang the top young big ng China. Ang 21-year-old na si Liu ay kasalukuyang naglalaro para sa Qingdao Eagles ng Chinese Basketball Association. In his third season with the Eagles, Liu averaged 9.72 points, 8.28 rebounds, and 1.13 blocks during the 2020-2021 campaign. At parte rin si Liu ng CBA All-Star Game as a reserve for the North team, tallying 6 points and 8 rebounds in that contest held last month. brand new iPad just by watching this video from start to finish without skipping. At pag-aabot na tayo ng 100,000 subscribers ay ipamimigay na namin ang aming napakagandang giveaway. Gusto mo bang manalo sa ating promo? Well, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel, like this video, and share it sa mga social media sites. And lastly, don't forget to make a positive comment about our video and done. You can be the lucky winner. But wait, paki-subscribe na rin sa ating bagong channel na may sports balita para sa mga mahilig sa sports, hindi lang sa basketball. Peace out!